This might be episode 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know. I need to get on that boat and raise my hands so I can finally finish this series. I'm actually trying my hardest. If only I was able to get into that car and drive, maybe fly for a few minutes. Okay, I'm bringing back the first approach. I must fly to the nearest Let me go down, maybe up. Screw helicopters. I'm just gonna try to make it on foot. To the nearest airport. I wonder what this is. Okay, I want it. I'm gonna bring some. This is a very tedious process. Who knows? I can get on this episode now. The third episode. I could have already made it. I already made it on the boat. Hopefully there's an airport on this island. Yeah, there's an airport. Oh, never mind. I realized that this is Roy Island. There's so many towns. Yeah, I don't think this one has an airport, but it does have a plane somewhere. Oh, come back. Please. Come back here. With all my heart and soul, please return. Okay, delivery failed. I surveyed. I'm not taking a packet, I'm just taking the heli. You know how trash I am with heli, guys. I'm so trash. Don't you dare crash into that house or else I'll die. No, like literally. I didn't even get knocked out. What? Yeah, nice, I saw. Yeah, nice, I saw. I have to complete this series. I must get on that boat. I've already been to every island. I've already probably driven every I think this is episode 5 or 4, I don't know. Hold up. Wait! No! This is the episode at the end of the series! Yes! I did it! Finally! Finally! I have to end the video. So if I fall off right now, I'm gonna have to make another episode, but who cares? I ended the series, yes! I just want to wait on here. 5 minutes officially in. This is where I'm supposed to end the video. Bye, guys. I ended the series. Next episode, I'm going to try to get on the bus. That's going to have more than 6 episodes. Definitely. See ya.